If your outlet cover plate is cracked from water exposure, you need to swap it out for a waterproof one, as soon as possible to keep things safe and dry. So, first off, turn off the power to that outlet at your circuit breaker. You definitely don't want any shocks while working on this. Next, grab a waterproof outlet cover plate, which you can find at most hardware stores or online, and make sure it matches your outlet type. When you take off the old cracked plate, check for any signs of water damage inside the outlet box. If it's wet or rusty, you might need to dry it out or even call an electrician. Before putting on the new waterproof cover, use a silicone sealant around the edges to block water from sneaking in again. Screw the new cover plate securely in place, but don't over-tighten and crack it again. If your outlet is outside or in a damp spot, consider a weatherproof cover with a gasket and a flap that closes when not in use. Double check that the screws and cover are rated for outdoor or wet locations. This stuff matters for safety. Lastly, test the outlet after restoring power to make sure everything's working right and dry. One of the biggest mistakes people make with outlet cover plates exposed to water is ignoring the damage and just putting a regular cover back on, which won't protect against moisture and could cause electrical shorts. Fix this by always choosing a waterproof or weatherproof cover designed for wet conditions. Another error is not turning off the power before replacing the plate. This is dangerous and can lead to shocks, so always kill the power first. The third common issue is skipping the sealant step around the plate edges, letting water seep behind the cover and cause more damage. Use silicone sealant or waterproof caulk to create a tight barrier every time. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff for jobs like replacing outlet covers safely. For contractors, the site helps connect them with homeowners looking for reliable pros, making it easier to grow their business and get steady work.